The latest tutorial on Taobao shopping transfer to the United States in 2024. If you live in the United States, or have relatives or friends in the United States, and need to purchase goods from Taobao and send them to the United States, how can you save time and money? When studying and living in the United States, you will definitely realize that prices are more expensive than in China, and many retail and food products are not very convenient to buy in the United States, and there are not many varieties. I want to purchase some daily items on Taobao or Alibaba. How to mail them to the United States? It's a simple step. You can buy the goods with confidence, send the goods to our warehouse, and we will help you solve the rest of the logistics. We are an international logistics company serving China to the United States. With stable customs clearance channels, even 1 kilogram can enjoy special logistics services. Compared with shipping UPS/DHL/EMS yourself, our price can be 60% to 80% cheaper. The special service can even provide you with free delivery photos and packaging services, help you return unwanted goods, and finally remove redundant packaging. Steps for usage. 1. Find your own items and place an order on e-commerce platforms such as Taobao and JD.com. 2. Send to domestic transit warehouse. 3. Contact customer service to inform them that it has been shipped. 4. When the goods arrive at the transit warehouse, we will help you pack them up. 5. After the goods arrive, customer service will notify the goods logistics plan. 6. Deliver from warehouse to air/shipping agent. 7. U.S. Customs clearance. 8. Door-to-door delivery within the United States. You just have to wait to receive the goods. Customer case. Zhang is a mother living in Orlando. She learned from our promotional materials that items purchased on Taobao can be sent to Orlando. She first contacted our customer service. Customer service will inform you in detail about the transshipment process and steps, as well as the address of the domestic transshipment warehouse. She sends the goods she bought on Taobao to the transshipment warehouse address. The warehouse packs them, feeds back the package weight and other data, and then waits for the goods to be received in Orlando. The arrival time will take about 1 to 2 weeks, depending on the shipping method and specific circumstances. Lynn, who is studying in Houston, recently purchased a lot of electronic products from China and listed them on Poshmark. Shipped through our logistics, you save more than half compared to buying on Amazon. She also earned this year's tuition and rent by reselling her products on the website. Contact us now for a consultation.